Welcome to Ngothen Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. We have now surpassed 10,000 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button right now and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Eitada. This is Ngothen Shop iChannel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Orlando Pirates 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. My brother, Kunjan.
Hey, what a hard-fought win.
What a hard-fought win.
Yeah. And a lesson learned from the best. The game lena be win with social media during the week. Situwa you win with the Sundowns. Maraba start online. Bathuka ipressure yethu Calvin Course. Sicela abahloni ipressure yethu first of all. This is soccer, it's nothing personal. Into esibesoyenza la besodlala ibhola kuphela. Ayikho enye into besoyenza. And then abantu bayekukhombana ngoba bacabanga ukuthi social media yabo. Let's respect each other and then ibhola amadlali odli but namhlanje we've paid revenge. It's been 4 years. It's been 4 years since we've been beaten by these people. There was torture Chiefs, torture Pirates. Today is a hard-fought victory. Ngibonga ama-player wethu for what they've done for us, for fighting so hard for this match today. We could see ukuthi bazile ba-prepared abantu labo, bazimisele ukuthi bazodlala ibhola, and that's what they've done. Sundowns tried ama-tricks abo bonke, lentwana uMbokazi abamba uRivero wabo lo amfake ebhodleleni waphuma kuyo. Ngiyabonga bafethu, ngiyabonga kuma-player, ngibonga ne-coacher yethu for preparations, the assistant coach and the whole team, the technical team, for what they've done. You understand? Because if it was not because of them, of not taking themselves serious, this would have never happened.
Exactly. Exactly. So what do you think Coach yakho yenzile engayenzanga kule game yokuqala?
He played 5 defenders emuva. He respected them because angeke ba demand respect bayabasa wababsorb. So mabadlala amabhola amalayinini bekungena line bebangadlula kuyo because emuva besiphethe ama center back I3 siphethe ama left and right wing. So besi strong si solid siphethe uMakhihleni Makhawula siphethe uMbatha lapha esiswini
siphethe ngwana sesi phambili
siphethe ngwana sesi santsabo once arabani like it. You understand? So besi compact simnandi sibahlonipha but the 2 mistakes that they did sathatha ibhola salifaka.
Thank you so much.
Lentwana lelo ubathi bani lentwana ethu umufukeng siyabonga so lala kamnandi namhlanje ngona nemvula enethe so ngene endlini sifike sibukela ama highlights sithi Netflix silala.
Thank you, Bodo. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.